Hey, what's up, guys? So today, traded a number of stocks. Like Mondays, Fridays aren't usually good for me, but today I actually had a decent day. So AMAT was running up all day, started to consolidate at this area. It looked like it was going to make a run down, so I took it on the short side. It dropped, got close to this moving average, so I just got out. Level two looked like it was kind of sputtering, kind of like the way it is right now. It's sputtering. And so that's why I got out at this area. I took it on the short side, hit this level. I should have actually waited for confirmation, like 1, 2, 3. So I could have taken it up here and up here at it. And then if it breaks this, obviously get out. But I went a little too early here, so that was my fault. So that was AMAT. NIO was kind of like a Christmas tree for me today. I took it on the short side at the open. It popped up on me, so I got out. It started to chop around, got close to this moving average. Looked like it was on level two. It looked like it was going. It wasn't look like it was going to go up any further. So I took it on the short side. It dropped, kind of consolidated a bit here, so I got all out. Dropped to this moving average. I went in long to see if it will pop. It did a bit, so I started to scale out, but it was still very short, so it dropped. I missed this bottom. I should have probably gotten in here, but either way, it went up, continued to go up, hit this again, formed like a double topped with the moving average. It was really strong, tried to break through it. That didn't happen. Took it on the short side. Again, it started to consolidate here a bit, so I just got out because it was a strong stop. I didn't want this to run up on me. Instead, it actually did a pretty nice collapse here, but you know I missed that. So that's NIO. NIO's been kind of choppy, although it keeps trending downwards of late. So that was NIO. PDD, I took it on the short side up here very early on. It ran up, started to consolidate. There was a moving average up here. And so I felt comfortable taking it on the short side. It dropped, and I just got out because it looked very choppy. It was a strong stock, so I wasn't really sure what's going on with it. But yeah, that was it. I thought about taking it on the long up here at 131 because there was a moving average, there's a previous day level, but I saw other opportunities, so I went with that. Eventually, it did drop down to like the 130s because on the 5-minute you see there's a daily level here. 15-minute, it actually is sitting on a couple of moving averages there. So, retrospect, probably better to align myself to that than to a daily level. So, but yeah, I didn't take it. So, BILI just did one trade. It dropped to 97. The moving average here. There's a previous day level here. It was also close to the 15-minute moving averages. Actually, what it did is actually went all the way down to the 15-minute moving averages and then bounced. So again, I got out just in time. This would have been a premature move. Should have entered down here. Just have a little more patience. Probably won't have hit the bottom down here. Probably up here was where I would have entered my position. Might have added more here, or maybe added on the way back up. That's probably how I would have played it if I paid more attention to it. LITE didn't really do anything. I took it on the short side. It started consolidating, and I realized this stock, there's not a lot of volume, so I just got out. And I lost money on JD. I just mistimed it. Took it on the short side here because it's sitting above the moving average. I didn't want this to continue to run up, having this as support, so I just got out on the run up. Eventually, it did do what I expected to do, which is down here. If I were to take it around here, same level, it would have given me a nice run. So this is a bit premature, but good stop out. I just didn't play it again because I felt like it was a strong stop. So that was JD. SQ is probably my best trade. Took it on the short side, ran up, hit a moving average, and that's why I on both the 15 and 60. So that's the 15. 60, so that's why I took it on the short side. But because it was such a strong stock, and on the 60, it looks like it was sitting kind of above it, or it has the potential to. So I was a bit nervous. So I just got out here. I missed this entire run, But on the way down, because it's a strong stock, I was thinking it would continue to go back up. So I took it on the long side, added to it because of the moving average, and then would have stopped out if it broke through that. Oh, and there's actually double moving averages. So here, it's sitting on not moving average, sorry, 2 daily levels. So I felt pretty good about it. Took it on the long side, it popped a bit, got stuck, and then I just like, you know what, just get out. So I got out. And sometimes I missed a run. It may continue to go up like here, but I got out and I continued to fall further. Hit a double bottom here, so I had a pretty good entry down here, as you can see, because this again corresponded to a number of different moving averages down here. So I took it on the long side. It popped, kind of got stuck here, and again I just got out because you never know. It might do this and just go from green to red, but instead it did a pretty big massive run up, so I missed a run, but I think that's okay. I think that's okay. It's almost better to be safe. You never know. Money in your pocket now is better than later. I mean, sometimes you get lucky. It really is luck. Like, you do this, it has a run up, and then you scale out that way. For me, I just didn't want it because other way this would have gotten back to my break even anyway. So I just rather take the money, take the profit, as opposed to hold and wait for the run up. I think in the past I got into trouble doing that. But anyway, so yeah, had a good day for a Friday. So anyway, peace out, guys, and stay safe, stay green, and please like and subscribe. All right, take care.